In the quiet corners of history, some legends just wait for a second chance. Shrouded in dust and time, a forgotten classic sits silent, its glorious past hidden beneath layers of rust and neglect. The air in the vintage garage is thick with the whispers of a bygone era, holding the promise of what could be. A sleeping giant awaiting its reawakening. The revival begins at the hands of artisans. With meticulous care, they peel back the years of decay, a symphony of creation where every detail matters. Sparks fly as grinders sculpt the metal, erasing the imperfections of time. Old engines are lovingly disassembled, and with the installation of new gleaming parts, a mechanical heart begins to beat once more. Surfaces once dull and pitted are polished with unwavering precision until they reflect the dedication poured into them. A coat of liquid crimson cascades over the resurrected frame, a vibrant new skin that signals a profound transformation. In smooth, slow motion, the paint settles, capturing the light and promising a future as brilliant as its past. This is more than a new color. It is the moment of rebirth, where the soul of the machine is finally made visible, preparing for its grand re-entry into the world. Then, the reveal. What was once a forgotten relic now stands as a gleaming masterpiece under the bright studio lights. The transition from then to now is a testament to passion and craftsmanship. Its flawless finish holds a mirror-like shine, every curve and chrome detail meticulously perfected. From a forgotten relic to an automotive icon, this is not just restoration, this is resurrection.